I'm Dr. Heather. If this bucket looks familiar, it's because we met at the NJEA Conference and you put your raffle ticket in to win a free, no-cost presentation for your school on drug and alcohol prevention. So we're gonna pick right now on this video as Daisy, as you can see below. Daisy's here. Hi, baby. And we got Callie who's running around. So if you see a spotted Dalmatian, you see Callie. But if not, we're gonna pick this. Here we go. Hi, Callie girl. Are you excited too? We're so excited, aren't we? Yay! Here we go. Okay, mix it up. Go down deep. Here it is. Here it comes. The winner is. Here's the winner. So everybody can see, but don't look at the phone number and contact information. It is Deb Broad-Selt. It looks like that. Broad belt. I'm so sorry. Broad belt. These tickets were so tiny, so if you know you filled one out, you know why. It got crammed on in there. So, Deb Broad Belt, I am going to reach out to you in the next few minutes. Can't wait to talk to you about your free presentation. Congratulations! Everybody else, I'll also reach out to you. As I said before, there's a grant that we have, and I want to talk to everybody about that too. So if you didn't win, don't be too disappointed. There's other ways you can bring me into your school and we can educate students about drug and alcohol prevention. But for Deb, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.